Looking for secondary and basement suite plumbing and ADU construction services in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialize in expert plumbing and construction solutions to help you create a fully functional and legally compliant living space. Whether you're adding a basement suite, secondary suite, or ADU, having the right plumbing in place is essential. Our team ensures proper water supply, drainage, and code-compliant installations, so your project runs smoothly from start to finish. In Sherwood Park, homeowners trust us for reliable, affordable, and high-quality plumbing services designed to maximize space and efficiency. With years of experience, we handle everything from planning and permits to installation and inspection. Need expert plumbing for your secondary suite or ADU? Call Kingstree Plumbing today or book online to get started.